All right, welcome to DriveSafeToday.com. We are on the home page here and we provide defensive driving courses pretty much throughout the United States. And right on the home page here, there's a select a state drop down. So we're going to go ahead and select a state here and we'll start with Delaware here for testing purposes. If you scroll down here, you'll see that there are a few courses that we do offer in the state of Delaware, and each one of the courses is approved by the Delaware Department of Motor Vehicles, the DMV. You're able to read up about the details of each one of the courses here, and if you'd like to learn a little bit more information, you can click on Learn More, and there's some more details here as well. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on Select Course, and we'll walk you through the registration process. And one thing to note here, the password is a minimum of 6 characters. So if you don't put 6 characters, you may see at least 6 characters. You'll see a error message that comes up. Let's click on Create My Account. And there's a bit more information here for the registration process that we have to fill out. So let's go ahead and do that. And we'll put in our driver's license information here. State of Delaware, as well as many of the other states, does require that the person that register for a course be the same person that completes the course. And this is a verification process that we use where we'll ask a few questions here during registration, and then you'll be asked the same questions during the course. And if you answer them wrong, then obviously the account gets locked and you'll have to reach out and verify your identity. So be sure that once you go through this process, you write down the answers so you don't forget. There's a option here to upgrade to a video-based course as well. And then there's a couple of certificate delivery options. Certificate by email and download is free, and if you want a physical copy to be mailed to you, we do have a couple of options here to do that. And then here's the payment page. On the payment page, we have the price of the course as well as some other items here that are included for free. And there is a coupon code section. If you do have a coupon code, you could input it here and it will adjust the price. And the other thing to note here, which is a very cool thing that we do offer, is I prefer to pay later. So if you want to see what the course does look like before you pay for it, you can click on that, and for our testing purposes here, we'll do that. So once we click on that, we're taken into the course, and this is the text-based course that we selected. So there's text as well as some images that are embedded in there, which are kind of fun. And then you have a breakdown here of the topics that will be covered during the course. A couple of things to point out on the course page is that there is a timer at the top of the page. So the state of Delaware does require that the course be timed. And so each one of the individual pages are timed, and you'll see that you cannot proceed to the next page until that time goes down to 0. There's a course syllabus which gives you a breakdown of what topics will be covered in each one of the sections and how long each one of those pages are. There is also a total time for the entire course here when you hover over this, so you get a good idea of how much time is left. Now, important thing to note about the timer is that if you do log off midway, let's say it's 3:45 and I log off of this page, or I X out the browser, when I come back, it will resume exactly from where it left off. The timer will remember exactly where you left off on the page, so you don't have to worry about redoing that again or waiting through the time again. So this is pretty much an introductory process into the registration and the initial pages of DriveSafe Today for the state of Delaware. In some future videos, we'll delve in a little bit deeper into the quizzes as well as the final exam.